Alright, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been filming much of this pad that we're building here, but you can see we're putting the final touches on it, putting AB on it. We've already wool rolled and dug it down about 18 inches and refilled it back up with water and dirt to make sure we have a good strong pad. Got my good friend Denny out there doing some AB work. It's been quite a fun project. We'll try to do more information on this, what we're doing and how we're doing it. It should be kind of fun with this project, building the metal building. You've heard of probably things on YouTube of the Barndominium. I don't know if it's actually going to be a Barndominium, but that's kind of what they've been calling them. But anyway, if you're interested, you can watch and see what we're doing. I'll go over some of the stuff it takes if you're going to get your permits, you know, if there's a well, if you need that, your septic, make sure you get your perk test, go through the county and what some of those costs are. But it should be kind of fun. I love watching people work when I just sit here. But anyway, I took my tractor over there, you can see it sitting over there, and that's what I dug it out with, and I filled it back up with water using that water truck over there. And it was a lot of work, but it's a lot of satisfaction when you do things yourself. We're going to try to do most of this building ourselves. We'll keep you updated on what's going on. I appreciate you watching.